Is Snapchat telling you your account is temporarily disabled, leaving you locked out of your snaps and chats? Don't panic. In just 90 seconds, we'll guide you through getting back in. Snapchat often temporarily disables accounts to protect them from potential security breaches or if they suspect a violation of their terms of service. This can happen if you've logged in from multiple new locations rapidly, use third-party apps that aren't authorized, or if there's been unusual activity that looks suspicious. The first and most straightforward step is to try logging in again after a short waiting period. Snapchat usually indicates a time frame. If it's just a few minutes or hours, patience is your best friend in this initial phase. If waiting doesn't work, or the message is persistent, it's time to reset your password. Navigate to the Snapchat login screen and look for the forgot password. Or need help logging in option, follow the prompts carefully to verify it's you, usually via your registered email or phone number. Once you receive the password reset link via email or text, click on it and create a strong, unique password. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. A strong password is your first line of defense. If you suspect a more serious issue, or if resetting your password still doesn't grant you access, you'll need to contact Snapchat support directly. Go to the Snapchat support website and look for the options related to login problems or disabled accounts. Fill out their support form with as much detail as possible about when the issue started and what you've already tried. To prevent this from happening again, always use the official Snapchat app. Avoid using third-party apps that request access to your account. And be mindful of logging in from vastly different locations in a short period. Maintaining a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication, if available, are also crucial security measures. With these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Snapchat account and keep it safe from future lockouts. Happy snapping!